Once upon a time, in a forest where the leaves shimmered like emeralds, lived a squirrel named Acorn. He was very busy gathering nuts, but he was always worried that there would not be enough for him. One sunny morning, Acorn found a bush full of sweet, red berries. But Lepus the rabbit was already there. "This is my spot," Acorn squeaked. "No, I found it first," Lepus replied with a loud stomp of her foot. All through the woods, other animals were shouting and grumbling too. There was no room to play and no quiet for naps. High above in the great oak, Bubo the owl watched everything with his very large, very calm eyes. The animals were tired of being cross. Acorn and Lepus decided to ask for help. They walked together to the base of the great oak and looked up into the shadows. "Mr. Bubo, we need your help," they called out. Bubo blinked slowly and looked down at them. "Why is there so much noise in our beautiful home?" he asked. Acorn stepped forward. "We are fighting over food and space, Mr. Bubo. We don't know how to stop." Bubo turned his gaze toward Lepus. "The forest is a big, wonderful gift for everyone," he said softly. "When you try to take everything for yourself, you leave no room for a friend. Wisdom means knowing that there is enough for all." Bubo told them to share what they found and to respect each other's homes. Acorn thought about this. He picked a giant, juicy berry and held it out. "Would you like to share this with me, Lepus?" he asked. Lepus smiled and took a bite. "Thank you, Acorn, and you can come play in my meadow whenever you like." Slowly, the other animals began to listen to Bubo's words too. They learned to work together and help one another. The shouting stopped, and the forest became a very quiet, happy place. The animals spent their days playing and their nights resting. Bubo watched from his branch, pleased to see the peace he had helped create. Now, the forest is full of songs instead of sighs. Bubo and Acorn often watch the stars together. They know that being kind and wise is the best way to live. Wisdom brings peace to everyone, big and small.